I bought this stackable shoe rack from Amazon, and I'm pretty sure it was actually on a sale for Amazon Day, and it was highly rated, and it goes with my color scheme. It also comes in different colors, and you could also pick how many bubbles you want. So I picked this one because I don't need too many, but I do need more than what I have, and this is actually prettier than what I have, so I think I'm the one that I do have already. I'm gonna give to Daniel in the garage. Start using this. And this is from a brand called Simple Houseware. As you can see, it's a stackable metal pane shoe rack in bronze or brown. And I started cutting this, and then I realized I gotta cut it again. So 1 second. I'm hoping it's easy assembly because you know me, you know I don't have the patience. So, oh, I should have kept the other boxes. It comes with a little bit of screws. It might be easy assembly. I'm hoping it really is. I mean, how much could it take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Maybe a little more. We got those pieces. Yeah, it looks like they break it up even more. It's probably 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces. And they give you a little bit of screws to screw it together. I'm probably going to cut the box so I can put it on there. I wonder if these instructions are like grammatically correct, because I know Daniel tells me that a lot of times they get their stuff from other places and they don't always, yep, in China, they don't always come in right. Oh, okay, but this looks pretty easy. This is what you get. And that's what you do. What are these? Unless you put something on the bottom, but I don't know. This already is too many pieces for me to handle. Alright, so this looks like the top. But they don't have a thing here to screw. So that's where I'm confused. Step 1. That's step 1, okay. Oh, I can use these for garbage. I'm officially confused. Oh, I see. Okay, does it matter which one you put? I guess not. Alright, so... I'm gonna get my power drill. This is weird. You need this? Hold on. Their picture says to start from the bottom. I don't know why. I hope I don't scare Bunny when I turn the screwdriver on. I mean the power drill on. This seems really difficult. Okay, let's do the other one. I hope these are all the right size. Then I'll do the other side. These look kind of different, like the sizes of these screwdrivers. I mean the screws, I'm a little confused. Next, I wonder what the big ones are for. I don't know. And then these directions aren't very good. Oh, I see. These go on the bottom. These fat guys go on the bottom, like underneath, as like the stand. Now I get it. Cause I was like wondering. I'm gonna do those last. So I have to attach each one like so. Ow. And I'm gonna have to turn this over. These directions aren't very good. Just saying. They're not. But I understand it. That's all that matters. Whoa. Why do they make it like this? I guess for packaging purposes, but they're not. Sit here. Hold on. This is funny. Oh my god. Oh my god. But I am doing this on my couch. But even so. They should have it differently. Like I need something to hold them. That's funny. Drilling it into nothing. Oh my goodness. Woo! Get in there. Fire in the hole. It's not straight. Hold up a minute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I think I got it. Bye, George. I think we got it. This one's stuck. I gotta reverse it. How do you reverse this again? Oh. Fire in the hole. Okay. I hope I didn't break it. Yeah, that one's a little broken. Oh, they give you an extra one. Uh-oh. Let's get screwed. That doesn't sound very nice. Alright, so to me that's funny. Alright. That's funny to me. Wow. Get in there. Fire in the hole. I don't know why there's extra holes on the side. But, yeah. Alright. And then you turn it over. And these got screwed down here somehow. These I think I just have to turn. It's these guys. Oh. but I really need a 4 one. I didn't realize how much stuff I have. My other sneakers. So that's what I have. This is gonna go in the garage. My flip-flops here. I'm gonna stick them underneath. Organize it like this. For now, I probably could have gotten the one with the extra tiers. I didn't realize because I didn't want to block the window. But yeah, that's fine. But this is better than it was before, that's for sure. I still have to clean my mirror. Don't look at it. Don't look at my mirror. It's over there. So this is the shoe rack all together. I'm sorry about the, the white powder all over my shoes. But this is it. I just wanted you to see the finished look. And it's better than what I had before. I didn't realize I could have gone higher than this, but I could have. And so that's that. I did order another thing, not this style, but another shoe rack to put like my flip-flops on. Because I have so many. And I don't want them to be like all over the floor. So I got like a taller one. Like a single taller shoe rack. That's going to be coming sometime this week, hopefully, from Amazon. And I'll show that to you too, because that requires assembly as well. And this is this one. I do like the look of it. Again, I wish I did go a little bit higher, maybe 1 or 2 rows taller. Now I know for next time, kids.